back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be no talking customer service. If you have those great customer service skills, you can listen to phone calls that have already been done by other customer service representatives and kind of give them feedback, grade them, score them on what they did good, and give them feedback and suggestions on what they could do better. It's the perfect mix of not wanting to do customer service work, but having great customer service skills. We're going to dive all into it. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback, and share with all your friends and family so we can all be working from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is going to be in the healthcare field. The company is Envision Healthcare. They have 640 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. Now, Envision is a part of AmSurg. Now, AmSurg does have 244 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.0 out of 5-star rating. I linked both Glassdoor pages if you want to look at the parent company or the smaller company in the YouTube description box. But AmSurg and Envision Healthcare Solution is hiring a quality assurance specialist. This is going to be full-time and it is remote for the United States only. But Envision Healthcare is a leading national medical group. They're focused on delivering high-quality care to patients when and where they need it most. But they're looking for a quality assurance specialist to be responsible for the customer service quality assurance process as it relates to evaluation, tracking, and reporting on the quality of work performed by the department's non-exempt hourly staff. On a daily basis, you're going to monitor those inbound phone calls from each employee as scheduled with the contact center, making sure they are taking the appropriate number of calls based on their quality assurance policies and procedures. You're going to maintain quality assurance findings on appropriate logs, completing monthly summary reports based on your daily findings. You will have to communicate those quality deficiencies to the staff using the quality review form. So they're going to give you a grading form, a review form to fill out when you're listening to these phone calls and grading these phone calls, and you'll have to provide the feedback to the staff member through those forms. You're going to be identifying any errors and telephone deficiencies and reporting them to management. Now, as far as what they're looking for, only a high school diploma or GED is required, and somebody who has minimum of 3 years of related experience, so 3 years of customer service experience. You do have to have good computer skills, including being able to multitask and work on multiple screens at the same time. You've got to be organized, have great communication skills, and strong data entry skills. Now, one thing to note, this is going to be a healthcare company, so you are going to have to follow those HIPAA requirements. Unfortunately, this job did not list the pay in the job description. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. I know in the comments I've seen some of you find out the pay when you start the application. When you hit the apply now button, you do have to create an account with this company, so I did not do that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a big thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.